Hey guys, this is Aman Thakur and you are watching me on YouTube. So today I'm going to discuss with you the limitation of food section. In the previous video, I have discussed the all aspects of food section. So see today what are the limitations of food section. So basically by the use of food section, we can obtain hydrocarbons that contain only even number of carbon atoms. Means if you use beta word section for the preparation of hydrocarbon, so always the hydrocarbon will form, right, it must contain even number of carbon. For example, if I take bromomethane, that is CS3 Br, right? So if I just take with this to Na in the presence of dry ether, right? So again the CS3 of the first alkyl group you can say, and the CS3 again of the second, it's a alkyl halide. We combine and it will form 2 NaBr, right? So in this case, the number of carbon atoms, this hydrocarbon is what? Ethane. And ethane, there are how many carbon atoms? There are 2 carbon atoms, right? So which is an even number, right? Okay, if I take, let's suppose this is bromomethane, right? After that, I can take another example, bromoethane. So the formula will be CS3 CH2Br. So if I just increase the carbon atom by 1 beta, so bromomethane, then we convert to bromoethane, right? So again it will react with 2 Na, again dry ether, right? So the again product will be beta CH3 alkyl group of the first alkyl halide, and you can say second CH2 CH3, right? So you can also write there will be 2 alkyl halide and here 2 alkyl. Okay, so in this manner beta, now this hydrocarbon along with the formation of NaBr. So this hydrocarbon is what? There are 4 carbon atoms. So it's called butane, right? So in this case, I can write 4 carbon atoms, right? So in both the examples, beta, as you have seen, the number of carbons present in both the carbon hydrocarbons, right, are even. That is 2 in the first case and 4 in the second case. But what happened if we want to prepare beta a hydrocarbon that contains a odd number of carbon, right? If we want to prepare a hydrocarbon that contains odd number of carbon atoms, then in that case, what will happen, right? To see, let's suppose we want to prepare pentane. We want to prepare pentane, right, beta? So pentane, how many carbon atoms are there? 5 carbon atoms, right? So what will be the possibilities if you want to form pentane? Okay, means there should be 5 carbon atoms. So beta, we can take either CH3 CH2Br. This is bromo ethane, right? So there are two carbon atoms in bromoethane, right? And if you want to convert this into pentane beta, so the other molecule, right, of alkyl halide must contain three carbon atoms, right? So I just write 2Na, right? And the three carbon atoms beta alkyl halide be bromo, you can say propane, right? Very good. So I just write bromopropane CH2, CH2, CH3. So this will be bromopropane, right, beta? So in this case, what the product? So again, this bromine will remove along with the sodium, right, beta? And it will again convert into CH3, CH2. This is the alkyl group of first alkyl halide, right? And the another alkyl halide, this one CH2, CH2, the last CH3. So this will be our product pentane. If we take uh, this hydro alkyl halides, right? So in this case, our hydrocarbon will form pentane plus 2NaBr, right, beta? Okay. So we can say this is the first possibility that we can take. Another possibility beta will be if we take simply bromomethane, right? So in bromomethane there is only one carbon atom, right? So again I can react it with Na and the another molecule beta. We are taking what? Bromobutane. So there are four carbon atoms, right? This is bromobutane. So again in this way, you can write beta this bromine will along with this sodium, right? And it will convert into again CH3. This is the alkyl group of first hydrocarbon, that is bromomethane, right? And another is CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3 plus 2NaBr. So in this case again pentane will form, right? So we can obtain beta pentane by using these reactants, right? Means bromoethane and bromopropane. But beta, um, can you imagine in this reaction if I simply take CH3 CH2Br, right? So there is beta another possibility that with the bromoethane, right, will combine with the another bromomethane molecule, right? Means this kind of combination can also be possible. Bromoethane will combines with another molecule of bromoethane, and in a similar manner beta we can also say bromopropane will also combine with the another molecule of bromopropane. So in that way beta we can say what will be the product form, right? So see the possibilities, all the possibilities. We are taking the first case CH3 CH2Br. This is bromoethane, right? So bromoethane will combine with its another molecule, that is bromoethane, right? And it will form CH3 CH2, right? And the other CH2 CH3. Means in this case there are four carbon atoms, so we can say butane will form along with the formation of beta 2NaBr. Okay, so there is, you can say this is also the possibility So that in this reaction, along with the pentane beta, pentane can also be obtained, right? See, now this is the first molecule, that is bromo ethane. Now the second molecule was bromopropane. So beta, it can also be possible the same molecule, that is bromopropane, CH3, CH2, CH2, right? Br. This is bromopropane. So beta, again it will react with same molecule, right? Bromopropane, right? So in this way, again this bromine and Na, right? So come out, and the product will form CH3, CH2, CH2. This is the alkyl group of the first hydrocarbon, this one, right? And this is another bromopropane, right, beta? So it will combine with another CH2, CH2, CH3. So in this case, the number of carbon atoms are 6. So we can say this will be your hexane hydrocarbon, right? Along with the formation of NADR. Means beta, see what happens when you take bromo ethane, right? And bromopropane. So along with the formation of your desired product, that is pentane, right? Along with this, butane and hexane will also form, right? So we can say beta, whenever you want to prepare a hydrocarbon by the use of Wurtz reaction, right? And that hydrocarbon containing odd number of carbon atoms, right? So beta, a mixture of hydrocarbon, whenever you want to form a hydrocarbon that contains odd number of carbon atoms, right? By the use of Wurtz reaction, then beta, always a mixture of hydrocarbons will form. Okay, so in this case, if we take bromo, ethane and bromopropane, so in that case beta, the mixture will be, if you take plus propane, right beta? So in this case, mixture of the desired product, that is pentane, plus butane plus hexene will form, right? So this mixture of hydrocarbons beta will form instead of only pentane, right? So let's suppose if you want to prepare beta pentane, right? So the yield, you can say, in this reaction will decrease, right? So let's suppose you want to form beta 100% pentane, so it will not form 100% pentane, right? Maybe there is a possibility only 40% of pentane will form, right? And another will be 30%, right? So the product should be 100%, you can say, but this will not happen, right beta? So this is the limitation of Wurtz reaction. Whenever you want to form a hydrocarbon that contains odd number of carbon atoms, right? So in that case beta, always a mixture of hydrocarbon. Okay, so you can just write for the preparation of hydrocarbon containing odd number of carbon atoms, right beta? By Wurtz reaction, right? a mixture of hydrocarbon will be formed. Okay. So whenever you want to form a beta hydrocarbon that contains odd number of carbon atom, right? So a mixture of hydrocarbon will be formed. So this is the limitation of Wurtz reaction. Okay. So in this case, if you take bromoethane and bromopropane beta, so what will be the product? Pentane, butane, and hexane, right? And there was another possibility, right? That is, you can take bromo, methane, right, beta, and bromobutane. So in this case, what will be the product? Bromo, methane also get self combine and it will produce ethane. And in the second case, beta, bromobutane again can self combine and it will form octane, right? So I can also write the second case equation. So if you take bromo, methane, so bromoethane beta can also react with this other molecule, triether, right? And in this case, the product will be CH3, CH3, 2 NABR. So this is ethane, right? And along with this, the other possibility is butane, bromobutane. So beta this bromobutane can also combine with another molecule CH2, CH2, CH3. So in this case, again try the solvent, right? So in this case, what will the product beta? Both the R groups will combine. So CH3, CH2. This is the first R group, right? This is another. So CH2, CH2, right? So this is the R group of first alkyl halide, and the second is CH2, 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 and CH3. So this is our octane along with 2 NABR. So in this case, beta, we can say if we take bromomethane, right, and butane, right, to form pentane. So in this case, what will be the product beta? Again, a mixture of this is about the required product, that is pentane plus octane, right, plus ethane. So this product beta can say in this case mixture of these hydrocarbons will form. Okay, so basically this is the limitation of Wurtz reaction. So by the use of Wurtz reaction beta, we can't prepare the hydrocarbon containing odd number of atoms. We can prepare, but it will produce a mixture of atoms. Okay, so this is all about the limitation of Wurtz reaction. Okay. I hope you like this video. Like beta, so please do like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.